Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Quentin Tarantino credits filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To use this filter, just start recording, then tap on the screen to get the credit screen. So what I'll do, I'll go to hands-free mode. Okay, let's start recording. Likewise, so to get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Marco is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He is having some awesome filter, so check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter, Tarantino Credits. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram, and if you're not finding the filter here in Instagram, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram, and likewise also you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.